Okay, Snuggle, do something cute.
The Shasta County District Attorney's Office Consumer Protection Unit prosecutes fraudulent or
Do something,
dishonest
Aubrey.
business
Do a trick.
practices. Individuals who have
Oh,
observed
good
or been
girl,
subject
Aubrey.
to false
Remember that, Uncle Chris?
No.
Oh, he was taking a video of Aubrey when she was maybe a couple weeks old.
Mm-hmm.
And she's just lying there. He's like, do something, Aubrey. Do a trick. Do a trick. And she sneezes. He's like, oh, good girl, Aubrey. It was really cute.
Snuggle's this thing cute. Besides blinking. Are you not gonna do anything now? Cause now I have you on camera, Buggers. Are you not gonna do anything now?
She's like, yep.
How are you, Banshee? Ah, wait, she's leaning, so I don't know that. Dodge. Don't get my nose, Sitter. Ear. Don't get my ear, Sitter. Pa. Got my paw, Sitter. I'm just gonna mess with her. Mess with the poppy. Mess with the poppy. I'm not Poppy. I am Big Dodge, Sitter. Okay, Snuggle, say bye. Bye-bye.